Good morning, my friends. This is Dr. Sokolov from Healthy Kids and Family Chiropractic. I had the patient asking me what is the value for the adjustment, and it's hard to explain. I believe that it's hard to place value on adjustment in terms of monetary value. Like how can you place value on working legs or working arms or your health or 180 billion cells going to repair and replacement. But from the practical perspectives, it's Dr. B.J. Palmer told a story about electricians. So imagine that in a room in the house, the lights in one room just went off, and you can call electrician, and one electrician can come in and start changing bulbs, fixtures, paying $200–300 for each fixture and the bulbs, and then 2–3 hours of labor rewiring everything, and it's cost like $500. And then he comes in and flick the switch and the lights goes on. Imagine another electrician comes in, look at the fixture, says, well, there's nothing wrong with the fixture, we just need to flick the switch, and he charges you $80 for a service call. So, and the house owner asked me, how come another electrician came, start changing the bulbs and everything, and you just came and flicked the switch and you charge $80? So he said, well, the flick actually was free, but $80 charge is not to do something that you don't need to be done. It's for the expertise that don't need to do something useless, don't need to do things that don't need to be done. So that's exactly it, that's the difference between chiropractic and the medical system. So if spine is subluxated, it switches off, and it doesn't matter, you can go MRI, CT scan, you can change those organs, extract those organs, you know, pump them full of drugs, steroids, and it's going to be expensive, long, and at the end of the day, unless the switch is on, unless the spinal nerves and the spinal cord is on, it truly doesn't matter. It's just a temporary relief. It's like providing a battery for the light fixture in a room. It's going to go out anyway, and then until you continue replacing the battery. So why to run the battery if you have a total source coming into your body, coming from the brain? So I hope it helps to understand. So most of the time the value of adjustment and what you pay in us, it's not for the adjustment per se, but for something to flick it on and going on with you, that we don't spend your time and your hours forever and you're not getting healthy like a medical system, versus you getting healthy fast, quick, efficient, and the most natural way. God bless.